do you have any concrete way for doing it? So, and I will delete myself. For example, getting into awareness, getting into contact with yourself, etc. So, if you can go a little bit more deeper into that topic, and then we will continue with business.
Sure. Yeah. Well, I know working as a community is definitely important. Again, reflecting back on my own injury, when I was in the hospital trying to get connected with any sort of network of what the future would look like, that was vitally important. And at that time, there really wasn't a network out there. I mean, this was 1996. The internet was just coming on. It was difficult to really find others that I could consider mentors. Well, now you can just go to Google and put in some sort of search and get connected with people through Facebook groups, through Instagram groups, like through LinkedIn, getting connected with organizations that may give you some tidbits of information that can help understand your current predicament, but also being able to lean on somebody and share your story and hear their story to move forward. So I guess my tidbits of what I could say to help facilitate that is, first off, get out of bed in the morning, take that first step, put on a shirt, get outside, get out in your community, start engaging with folks, because each little tiny step, it may not seem like much, but the more steps you make, you end up going miles in the long run.